You are going to love the 2013 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, electronic stability control, speed control, compact spare tire, dual note horn, fog lamps, FWD, HID headlights, rear window defroster, door courtesy lights. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.